Gonna build myself a nightstand. Drill them in there. I just really need something that'll... I'm just trying to mark up the holes so I can take this off and drill the holes and then drill the screws in, and then it'll be a lot easier. See? Alright, both the hinges are out. And I'm putting them on here. Sweet. They're in. Friends. Hand start all of these. If you can't fit a drill in to a space like this, you might as well just screw it in. It's great. It works. Some kind of kickstand. This is just a piece of scrap.